Hi, I'm Joe, a Warsaw-based shooting instructor. In today's video, I'm going to explain how the safety in the MG42 works and why the bolt must never be cocked when the safety is engaged, and I'll conclude the video by demonstrating how to disassemble the MG42 trigger grip, so stay tuned. Now let's take a look at how the safety interfaces with the sear in the MG42 trigger group so that we can understand why the bolt must never be cocked when the safety is engaged. To simplify things, I've removed the complicated semi-auto trigger components so that we can get a better view of the sear and the safety. I'll let you know if I ever manage to get it all back together again. So, as you can see, when the safety is disengaged, the sear is able to move down, and when the safety is engaged, the sear can no longer move. Thus, if you try to cock the bolt with the safety on, nothing is able to move and you jam or damage the gun. Now, let's take a closer look at the MG42 safety and sear. To get to the parts, you need to remove the screws. I made this driver bit out of a bolt. Once you remove the grip panels, all the pins should just fall out and the sear comes out. To get the safety out, you have to rotate it. This lug needs to line up with this cutout. One of the changes that the Yugoslavs made was the addition of this piece here under the safety, and it just has two notches to catch the detent. Otherwise, the detent would just catch on the side of the pistol grip frame. So, here's your Yugo safety. to block the sear, the safety either lets the tail of the sear go down or stops it. So, if you have the safety engaged and you try and cock the bolt, the sear can't go anywhere and the gun will jam. So, to reassemble, you take your detent piece, safety, push it in, rotate. Take your grip panel, your sear, now your pins, the other grip panel, grip screws, and there you go. And now you know how the safety works in the MG42 and how to disassemble the trigger grip. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my machine gun instruction playlist and follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/SurviveWithJoe. Also, please leave your questions in the comments and I'll try to answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching.